Another fine vehicle offered by Toyota of Lake City.
This is a 2008 GMC Sierra 1500, made for the job site, the trail, and the town. It features a 4.8-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Features include chrome wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a trailer hitch receiver, a bed liner, OnStar, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has fewer than 22,000 miles on the odometer. Not to mention that this GMC qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Toyota of Lake City is located at 13355 Lake City Way in Seattle. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.